Today I'm gonna make for you an excellent dish.
Oh, got it, I got it.
Yeah, so we're gonna make scrambled egg today.
So what's influenced your love for cooking?
One of the greatest lessons I learned from my mom is to cook with a heart. The principle is that when you cook with a heart, the person who eat the food will be able to feel the love, the effort that is put into the cooking.
So I'm sure you also apply that same principle when you cook for your family, right? So at home, who do you cook scrambled eggs for?
So my son loves egg. Every weekend, he will request for scrambled egg on toast. Yeah, that's his comfort food for every weekend. So,
but you get him to like crack eggs and
yes. He enjoys cracking eggs. Most of the time, the eggs will end up on the counter or on the floor. Yeah, yeah.
It's okay. You have to learn, right?
Yes, I agree.
So apart from your son, do you also cook for your wife? You better.
Yes. My wife is a very simple person.
Okay, so what kind of simple dishes do you cook for her?
I mean, usually she like her chili crab.
Chili crab? That's not simple. I don't know about you, but cooking makes me happy even when I'm down.
Yes, likewise for me. In fact, I lost my job during the COVID-19 circuit breaker. One of the things I find myself really enjoy is to cook for my family, and the things that you love really keeps you going.
Looks lovely.
We're gonna lift up this dish, have a special ingredient, something that even myself haven't tried yet.
Really?
Something that my son really enjoys. Vegetables. Here you go.
Oh, potato chips. Yeah, you're right.
Technically, it's a root vegetable. Yeah. So.
What are you gonna do with it though? Are you gonna like crunch it up and?
No, we are gonna eat it like how we eat nacho chips.
I mean, I love potato chips. I love scrambled eggs. I love tomatoes. What could go wrong, right?
Yeah.
I'm sure it's gonna be good. I don't even have to try it, but I will try it.
Looks appetizing.
Very good. It really does lift up the dish.
Wow.
Love it. Now, you have to learn something back from me. We need to close the show off, so you need to do the signing off. Can you do
Really?
it? Yeah.
I mean, I can give it a try.
You look down the barrel, and then you sign off by saying, "This is Leon. Thanks for watching. Lift up every day." Are you ready? Okay.
Yeah.
Take it away.
Sure. This is Leon. Thank you for watching. You've been lifted up.
It's lift up every day, right?
Good.
Is it lift
We'll-
up every day?